Hey there! Welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to download and install the Castle app on your Android or iPhone device, and how to start playing some fun games on it too. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. First, go ahead and open the Play Store if you're using an Android phone, or open the App Store if you're on an iPhone. Now, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in Castle, just like that. From the search results, look for the one that says Castle, Make and Play. It should be one of the top results. Once you find it, tap on it to open the app's page. Now go ahead and tap the Install button on Android or tap Get on iPhone. The Castle app will start downloading and installing on your device. The installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so just give it a moment, be patient. Once the app is fully installed, you'll see an Open button. Tap on that to launch the Castle app. Once you're in the app, you'll find a variety of mini-games, creative challenges, and fun, interactive content. Browse through the Games section, tap on any game that looks fun, and you can start playing right away. The app is super user-friendly and designed for creativity and fun. And boom! You've successfully downloaded, installed, and even played some cool games on the Castle app. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Insightful Tutorials for more helpful content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.